Here are the steps to use a Ledger hardware wallet to self-custody in Core. When you're using a Ledger, all of your transactions are completed within the device itself. A self-custody wallet, such as Core, is a type of wallet that allows users to hold and own their private key while having full control of their own funds. The first step is to set up your Ledger. Once you've unpackaged your Ledger, you're ready to set up in Ledger Live. First, connect your Ledger hardware wallet and enter the PIN. This will open up an overview of your Ledger. It will tell you which Ledger device you have, whether or not the firmware is up to date, which you want to make sure you update it. And then you can search for the Avalanche app in their catalog. Once you find it, click Install. This will initiate an install on the Ledger device and install the Avalanche app so that you can begin using your Ledger hardware wallet with Core. And then you can close out Ledger Live. From there, you can navigate to extension.core.app and click Download Now. This will take you right to the Chrome web store where you can add Core to your browser. Click Add to Chrome, add extension. Once the Avalanche app is open, you can hover over Access Existing Wallet and select Ledger. From the drop-down menu, you can select the derivation path that you'd like to use. For this example, we're going to use Ledger Live. This will open up 3 different actions that you need to confirm on your Ledger device. So follow the steps on there to do that. Once this is complete, click Next. You can click I agree, enter a name for the wallet and a password. Once you've entered that, you can click I agree to the terms of use and I acknowledge the privacy policy. Make sure you review both of those before you click Save. Once you've clicked Save, your wallet will be created, and then you can pin this in your browser right at the top. You can also make Core your default wallet. And what's great now is that any transaction that you're going to do within the Core extension, which if you click the plus icon, you can send, receive, buy, swap, and bridge, all will need to be confirmed through your Ledger device. With self-custody wallets, private keys are secured in encrypted storage. And in a way, your Ledger device is used to sign and approve all transactions that would occur in Core. The only way that you can access the Core extension is by connecting your Ledger wallet. You can see if your Ledger is connected by clicking the menu here and then selecting Ledger. And when you have the Avalanche app open on your Ledger device, it will show as connected here. Another great feature about the Core extension is that it supports multiple networks. You'll notice here that the active network is the C chain. When you connect your wallet, this will be the default active network. You can also switch to the Bitcoin network where you could copy this wallet address here and send Bitcoin and bridge it to the Avalanche C chain. You can change the Ethereum network where you can do the same exact thing and also see the tokens that you have on that network there. All of the tokens that are held in your Core extension with your Ledger connected are custodied by you. Within Core, you can also purchase AVAX directly if you click the plus icon and select Buy. This will open a prompt that says attention, clicking continue will take you to a page powered by our partner MoonPay. Use is subject to MoonPay's terms and policies. If you'd like to proceed, click yes. This will open up this additional window where you can enter in the amount that you would like to spend. It will give you a summary with a quote update of what you're receiving for the amount of USD that you're using. I'll get 1.97 AVAX for $30. Click continue. From here, you can follow the steps, confirm all of this, and click pay. Then you can confirm your order. Your order will process, and then they'll deliver the AVAX directly in your wallet. Once the order is processed, if you click into activity, you'll see that you've received Avalanche, the amount that you purchased, and that it reflects properly when you click in here. Using a Ledger in Core is the optimal way to store your assets. If you have any additional questions about how to connect your Ledger to Core, please reach out to support.avax.network and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.